Welcome everybody to Dave Johnson Online and my internet marketing for complete beginners. Now obviously you're interested in making money online, otherwise you wouldn't be here. So here you're going to discover how to start an online business, and even if you're just a complete beginner, I'm going to simplify it down into small videos for you to browse at your leisure, and hopefully you'll enjoy your learning. It's all free. I don't charge for my product, so if you'd like to continue watching here, and I'll see you in the next video where we will begin. Just another thing, if you'd like to come to my website, it's johnson.online. Come to the website and pick up my free gift. There's a free webinar happening quite soon, I do believe. All you have to do is just click on this link here and it'll take you to my webinar, or you could just click on here and it'll also take you to the webinar, or you could just go straight to my blog and do it from there. Okay then, have a great day guys, and I'll see you in the next video.